As the holiday season approaches, many of us crave the magic of Christmas while staying mindful of our planet's well-being. This year, embrace creativity through sustainable and reclaimed materials to bring warmth, style, and eco-conscious beauty into your festive home. Rather than relying on store-bought decor, discover how reusing and repurposing everyday items can transform your home into a heartwarming winter wonderland filled with authenticity and meaning. Start your eco-friendly Christmas by turning reclaimed wood into enchanting decor pieces. Weathered planks from old furniture or pallets can be reshaped into rustic tree ornaments, wooden stars, or candle holders. Their worn texture adds warmth and nostalgia, perfectly balancing traditional charm with contemporary simplicity. With just a few cuts, sandpaper, and natural finishes, you can craft timeless accents that bring both character and conscience to your holiday home. Empty glass jars are one of the most versatile materials to reuse. Turn them into soft glowing lanterns by placing small candles or LED lights inside, wrapping the exterior with jute twine, and sprinkling a touch of faux snow. These eco-friendly lanterns create an inviting ambience, illuminating corners with a gentle, golden shimmer. Whether hung along a windowsill or placed on your dining table, they bring a cozy, sustainable sparkle to your Christmas nights. Give forgotten fabric remnants new life by transforming them into joyful garlands. Cut old shirts, linens, or scarves into strips and tie them onto a piece of twine for a charming, handmade decoration. Mix patterns and textures for a vibrant and homey feel. This technique not only reduces waste but also infuses your decor with personality and storytelling, each fabric scrap carrying a bit of history and sentiment from your home's past. Step outside and gather branches, pine cones, and dried leaves to craft your own natural wreath. Using twine or wire, shape the materials into a circular base and decorate with dried citrus slices, cinnamon sticks, or old ribbons. Unlike store-bought versions, these wreaths are biodegradable and reflect the season's natural beauty. Hang one on your front door to welcome guests with a sense of organic elegance and the fresh scent of nature. Instead of using single-use wrapping paper, create an eco-conscious gift wrapping corner in your home. Reuse brown paper bags, old maps, or pages from outdated books as wrapping materials. Accent your gifts with natural twine, dried flowers, or small pine sprigs for a rustic finish. This thoughtful approach not only minimizes waste but also turns each gift into a beautiful expression of care and creativity. Search your home for forgotten glass bottles, metal tins, or ceramic cups, all of which can become enchanting candle holders. A bit of paint, rope, or lace can elevate their appearance while maintaining a cozy vintage appeal. Group them together on mantles, tables, or window sills to create an atmospheric glow that captures the holiday spirit with a sustainable twist. Pine cones are one of nature's most versatile decorative gifts. Spray them with a bit of biodegradable glitter, tie them with twine, or paint their tips white to mimic snow. Arrange them in glass bowls, hang them as ornaments, or scatter them across your holiday table for a touch of organic sophistication. Their earthy tone and fragrant presence effortlessly connect your indoor space to the tranquility of winter forests. Your Christmas table can reflect both festivity and mindfulness. Combine reclaimed wood planks as a base with clusters of candles, dried orange slices, and evergreen branches. Mix old glass jars with seasonal fruits like cranberries or pomegranates for a vibrant, naturally inspired display. Each piece tells a story of reuse, sustainability, and heartwarming creativity, transforming your dining experience into a meaningful celebration. Visit thrift shops or flea markets to uncover secondhand treasures that can become part of your Christmas story. A set of mismatched ornaments, vintage tableware, or antique picture frames can all add personality to your decor. By reusing these items, you preserve their history and contribute to a cycle of mindful consumption while giving your home an elegant, timeless touch that modern decorations often lack. Turn cardboard scraps, old envelopes, or small cloth bags into a DIY advent calendar. Fill each pocket with handwritten notes, small gifts, or daily acts of kindness. Decorate it with twine, old buttons, and bits of fabric. This project encourages creativity and anticipation while reducing waste, a heartfelt way to count down to Christmas that resonates with both sustainability and family tradition. Once the holidays end, remember that sustainability continues beyond the decorations. Compost natural materials like branches, leaves, and citrus slices, and recycle paper or glass items responsibly. Store handmade decor pieces for next year or repurpose them for other occasions. This thoughtful cycle of reuse ensures that your celebrations leave a positive impact both on your home and the environment. At Decorasri, we believe that true beauty lies in creativity that honors both style and sustainability. These DIY Christmas home decorating ideas remind us that festive elegance doesn't require excess, only imagination, love, and intention. By embracing reclaimed and natural materials, you craft not just decorations but lasting memories of a holiday season that shines with authenticity, warmth, and care for the world we share.